Okay, first we're going to review question number 1, and then, we'll do question 2 and 3. Okay, so first of all, it says record the pattern in a table, then draw the graph to represent the table. Okay, so quick table here. Okay, we have figure, number, and then we'll say number of squares. Okay, so figure 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 1, 2, oh, this one's so easy. Okay, and then we're making our graph. I suggest for your graph that you use a pen to make the axes so that it's easy to erase if you need to. We should label this as, figure number, and then this as number of squares. Okay, to keep it exact with what we are actually referring to. And then how are we going to jump? I'm going to say this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That seems like a good scale. Okay, and then we know that our ordered pairs are like 1, 1, right? 2, 2. This one's an easy one. So it's going to be like this. Okay, that's the first one. Next one is, okay, I'm gonna erase this. Okay, okay. Then, let's see, the second one. Okay, same thing, still figure number. Okay, how am I gonna label this one? First of all, I'm gonna make my ordered pair. Okay, so I have figure 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 4 items, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think it's gonna be going up by 3 each time. So 10 and then 3, or 13. So how am I going to label this one? Okay. Okay, for this one, since we have small numbers here, but then large numbers here, I did say that you should keep the scale the same. But you know what? This one might be clear if we do like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. You can do that. That's no problem. And then what makes sense up the side? What if I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14? That would be perfect. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay? So then figure 1 is 1, 4, and then 2, 7, and then 3, 10, and then 4, 13. There you go. And that is a line. If you want to connect them, you could. Nice. Excellent. Okay. Next one is, okay, let's see. Oops. Okay, that one worked. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Figure number. This shouldn't be number of squares, it should be number of triangles, but we're close. Is it gonna let me move this thing? Yes. Okay, good. Excellent. Oh. Wow. There. Okay. Well, we can still do this. Okay. So we have figure 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many items do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's going to go up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. 13 and then 17. So what should I use as my scale? I can do the same thing because I still have 4. But now maybe I should jump by 5s. Okay, if you have a longer graph than me, then you could do that. That's fine. Okay, so 1, 5, 2, 9, just below the 10, 3, 13 would be in the middle, or I guess a little bit above the middle, right? Because it'd be 2.5 in the exact middle. And then 4 would be 17, a little bit below the middle. There we go. So there again, we have a line. And it's cool, if you do it exactly right, if you use a ruler, you'll see that it should exactly make a line, because these are linear equations. Okay, there we go. The next one is using, okay. The next one, we have to make same thing. Okay, use grid paper to describe the graph. Okay, let's see if we can cut right to doing this without having to make the input output. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That still makes sense. And then up the side, I'm thinking we should do 2's again. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's going to work perfectly. So 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Okay, there you go. Hopefully you get the hang of the next one. I'm not going to, oh yeah, okay, I'll quickly do it. Okay, there we go. That worked. And then this one, my output numbers are not quite as big, so I could do, well, I'm probably still going to skip count by 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so here, number 1 is at 5. 2 is at 6, 3 is at 7, and then 4 is at 8. There you go. Okay, that also shows it. Nice, excellent. Okay, next page, number 3. Okay, all right, so here, oh, this one's actually easy. It kind of started hard because we had to make the graph. For this one, input, output. Okay, oh, for this one, we actually have to make the table. Okay. What's going on? And then delete. Okay. Okay. Here we go. All right, so here we're just making the table, so we're working backwards, okay? So I'm gonna call this input, output. So my input for this one, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And the output, we have 3, 7, 11, and 15. Okay, that one hopefully is pretty easy. You didn't even have to make the ordered pairs because you figured that out. And then the next one is input, oh, the same, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then the output, we have 12, 16, 20, and 24.